Welcome to Ecological, Tips to Reduce Your Footprint. I'm Mike Kale with the Cobb County Watershed Stewardship Program. In this episode, we'll take a look at on-site sewage management systems, or better known as septic tanks. Septic systems are separate from the county's sanitary system. The main difference is septic systems treat wastewater on-site, whereas county sanitary sewer system transports wastewater to be treated at one of 4 reclamation facilities. Having an on-site sewage treatment system requires proper care and ongoing maintenance. This episode will help the septic owner better understand how to maintain a septic system and recognize signs of system failure. Familiarizing yourself with these preventative measures will significantly reduce the hassle and expense of system repair or replacement, and reduce or eliminate health risks and negative impacts on the environment. Septic systems have 4 main sections: inside the home, the tank, the distribution box, and the drain field or the absorption field. It's important to be careful what enters the system through the basins, sinks, toilets, and drains. To protect microbial environment in the tank, only use septic-safe chemicals and cleaners. Food scraps, rags, fats, oils, and grease should be discarded into the trash, not down the drain. Excess solids will fill your tank more quickly, causing the need for more frequent pumping. The pipe from the house to the tank should also be maintained to be free of roots and clogs. The tank. The tank is where the solids are separated from the liquids. A well-maintained and healthy system should not require additives of store-bought microbial augmenters. Simply using the system to manufacture specifications, each flush should provide the sustainable amount of microbials to digest and break down the solids. The undigested material forms a sludge that settles to the bottom of the tank, allowing the cleaner water to move to the next phase. Over time, accumulation of sludge occurs within the tank. The property owner is responsible for properly operating and maintaining the on-site sewage management system to increase its life expectancy and prevent failure. The distribution box. The distribution box should evenly distribute the treated wastewater to the buried lines that release the water into the soil. The absorption field or drain field. The major function of the drain field is to deliver the treated wastewater to the soil. The soil purifies the treated wastewater by removing the germs, solids, and chemicals that may be carried along with the effluent before it reaches groundwater. The drain field should be clear of trees and activity that will compact the soil, such as vehicles, above-ground pools, and repeated trampling. Signs and symptoms of failure. If you notice any of the following signs of system failure, it is recommended that you call a professional to have your system inspected. Wastewater at soil surface or soggy soil can indicate a full tank or damaged drain lines. Wastewater may contain many disease-causing bacteria, viruses, hookworm, tapeworm, and other diseases. Wastewater backing up into the home or slow drains indicate a clogged drain or pipe, but can also be a sign of possible failure elsewhere in the system. Sewage odor outside the home or in the drain field, as well as fly infestations, warrants investigation as well. Things to remember. Never drive or park vehicles or heavy machinery on the drain field or anywhere above the septic system. Pump the tank every 3 to 5 years or as needed. Keep the area of the septic system free of tree roots. And be careful of what enters your septic system. Fats, oils, grease, rags, baby wipes, and other food scraps should be disposed of in the garbage, not the drain. If signs of failure occur, determine the type of failure and start by checking the easy things first. If the problem is bigger than you can handle, call a professional. The sooner you can identify and fix a problem, the failing septic system, the less likely you will encounter health and environmental risks and compounded problems that will increase the cost associated with repair or replacement. The Cobb and Douglas Public Health Department provides septic tank regulations and tips for troubleshooting. Remember to pump your tank every 3 to 5 years and keep maintenance records. Your local county extension office provides information about landscaping maintenance and recommendations for the drain field area. We hope you enjoyed this edition of Ecological, Tips to Reduce Your Footprint with Septic Systems. We'll see you next time.